and then bring this leg over here, bosh, and I'll shoot that backlight.
Nossa, você não quer que eu
That's it, that's cool.
ele também não?
Come here. Get on my lap. Get on my...
Hey guys, I've not posted for a few weeks and I apologise for that. I mean, I need to be posting more, I know. I love doing these videos. A little bit of a glitch in the matrix the last few weeks, so hopefully we're going to be back on track now. Guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. There's still a whole bunch of you guys watching the videos not subscribed. It really is a big support for me. And also, please like this video. Right, okay, let's rock and roll. Right, so this video is in Camden. It was about 2 days ago, okay? And it's the first time I've been out in Camden shooting since I shot the punk rock street photography video, which is pretty much my most viewed video on this channel. So check that out. I'll put a link here, and I hope that pops up for you. If not, I'll put it in there. I'll put it in the show notes as well. Right, let's crack on. I love Camden, obviously for the music, the madness, the Libertines, all the greats played at Camden at one stage, right? The Foo Fighters, R.E.M, the Drifters, the Darkness, the Strokes, everybody. Electric Ballroom near the station, obviously like Filthy McNasties, where all those guys would hang out, not least Shane MacGowan, the Pogues, back in the day. It was a meeting place for all of those musical poets, you know, and it's, you've got the Roundhouse, obviously, Barfly. Some of these places might even be closed down now. Some of them, they close and reopen and rename and all that kind of thing. Whoa! Jesus Christ. Nearly did there, didn't he? Camden's also the backdrop of my favourite movie of all time, Withnail I. If you haven't seen it, guys, check that film. That's set at the back end of the 60s. I think literally the last month of the 60s. And a beautiful film. And the one person I haven't mentioned come out of Camden is the obvious one. It's literally at the heart and soul of everything that Camden is really, in terms of how it resonates with people, I think, would be Amy Winehouse. There's even like a statue of her, I think, in Stables Market, and a whole bunch of other homages to her. Yeah, I mean, Camden is like Amy Winehouse. Right, okay, let's crack on with the video, see what I got up to.
Since I come home, well, my body.
Bit throwaway. I think I'm happy with around about 2 or 3 clicks that I get during this shoot. But I kind of need to, I think what I'm doing, now I like this shot, the colour, the mask, the lock, the bridge in the background. It's all the girl to the left, so like 2 or 3 little stories going on at once. Shooting with a 24mm, well 16mm on the Fuji, that 24mm equivalent. I love that kind of frame, and I'm really close there. But that's, getting those kind of frames is the consequence of just moving, like pretty much circuiting the same part of the market over and over again. Well, you'll see it here. You'll see these domes. They're basically those domes all over London now because of COVID, right? It's like these big plastic, airtight. I don't know, are they airtight? I don't like that shot. It's funny, isn't it? Like with this kind of just early post-pandemic London. It's kind of life, but not as you know it. Do you know what I mean? I like that shot there with the girl. It's just like a bit pensive. But Camden is just that tapestry of character and colour and life. And obviously you've got the market stores. Again, look, I'm working pretty much the same street. Just getting in close. I think that was a little bit over the top with the desaturation on that last image. Not happy with that. I prefer Camden to say Shoreditch. I think Shoreditch has become almost like too much of a parody of itself almost, you know. whereas Camden has retained, and I'm sure there's a lot of people who beg to differ, but I think it's retained a little bit more of that that integrity of spirit, you know, of what it stood for, sort of back in the day. I could be just getting romantic. It could be I'll just be talking a load of bullshit, but it's not Camden as was, absolutely not, and it's just a little bit less cliche than Shoreditch. I love that shot. I kind of almost wished I got in closer. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can pause the video and subscribe. Just moving. Just working on being really present when I'm shooting. Just staying alert. What we can do quite often is we get like a half decent frame and then we're congratulating ourselves on the back of the LCD screen and we're missing shit. Here they are, the punks.
Brooklyn. I've been to Manhattan, obviously, but I've stayed at Green Point in Brooklyn a few.
Oh, Green Point. I used to live in Williamsburg, Flatbush.
Oh, really?
South Bronx.
Oh, this is a sequel, isn't it? So
This is Zombie Punk.
that video.
And I think the images I got in that original shoot
$1 to go away.
were
Can I get you these?
better, I think. I don't know, there was more of them. But this is what I love, like shooting it close in. Just kind of, this is why it's important to connect with people, like for these street portraits, rather than just getting those headshot type shots. If you get in and you connect and you're kind of chatting with people, making these connections, then you see more of their personality and you can shoot that. Does that make sense?
Old wedding ring. New engagement ring.
That's brilliant.
Yeah.
But
Mom.
the shot we got of you last time
I have
was
Charles
with
Bukowski
it was
who
almost
drink
like
the
fire.
pipe right
Do you remember
Yes,
it?
because the water is...
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Or
you got the
just
sun not
this way.
behind us.
The light, when I was shooting this a few days, it was just that a little bit muggy. Whereas during the first shoot, it was literally, the sun was out, it was banging, but you had kind of clouds. The clouds were kind of feathering the light, and it was just a lot more, it was just exquisite on that, the light on that day.
Hello, can I get your photograph? What a beautiful couple of characters you are. Can I? Do you know what? I can go home now. I can go after getting a photograph of this handsome fella here. Genius. Can I get a photograph of you as well? Two for the price of one.
Thanks guys, see you on the next video.